Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an affiliate program with ClickBank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To build an affiliate program with ClickBank, start by creating a ClickBank account. Visit the ClickBank website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required fields with your personal and business information. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation. Verify your email to activate your account. Next, log into your ClickBank dashboard. Choose the Marketplace option from the main menu. Here, you can explore various product categories. Select a niche that aligns with your business goals. Once you've selected a niche, filter the products by popularity and gravity. Examine the product details to find suitable offerings for your program. After identifying a product, click on the Promote button. Generate a unique affiliate link by entering your account nickname. Once you've created your affiliate link, test it to ensure it directs correctly. Now, create a landing page or sales funnel for your affiliate product. Use clear, captivating content and a call to action. Incorporate your affiliate link within the landing page. To attract affiliates, set competitive commission rates. Communicate these rates clearly on your website or landing page. Use social media, forums, and marketing channels to promote your affiliate program. Reach out to potential affiliates directly, highlighting the benefits of your program. Provide them with marketing materials like banners and email templates. Track your performance through the ClickBank analytics tools. Monitor sales, clicks, and conversions regularly. Optimize your strategy based on the data you collect. That's how to build an affiliate program with ClickBank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.